Hey, this is Tom, owner of 702 IT. Thanks for stopping by. Microsoft Exchange is a long-time, inside your office, do-it-yourself email server. It was a great tool in its day. Nowadays, running your own Exchange server is one of the worst things you can do for your business from a security standpoint. I'll save you the analogies this video and give it to you straight. I have personally installed and upgraded every version of Exchange since 1999. Honestly, it was a great tool, and everyone knows how important email has been the past 25 years. I'll wager 27 cents that most of my time supporting businesses from 1999 to 2016 was maintaining Microsoft Exchange. Once we had it dialed in, something silly would happen. In addition to supporting users on a platform that was very time intensive. Around Exchange 2016 was a good time to move your email to the cloud. About that time, Microsoft 365 Cloud was really starting to flex its muscles, and 365 was, and still is, the best value for the money. Once we moved clients from on-premise Exchange servers to 365, 50% of our help desk tickets vanished. I'll put a link in the description below, but you can easily Google all the security issues Exchange has posed for small businesses the past few years. The absolute number one bestest thing you can do for your company is moving away from your own Exchange server and decommission it ASAP. I cannot stress how important this is for you to make it a priority. If email is important to your organization, then it is vital you move your email to the cloud. Think about it. Microsoft wants you in their cloud. Their time and attention to Microsoft Exchange is not as strong as their commitment to 365 Cloud. You don't have to be technical to realize Microsoft Exchange is being put out to pasture, and Microsoft will continue to improve and make 365 more secure. We don't support Microsoft Exchange, but we can help you migrate away from Exchange into the cloud. I can guarantee if you call me right now, 702-357-4333, we will make your company safer by migrating you away from your local Exchange server. Thanks for watching, and make it a great day.